Hello JP, how are you?
Hi Dan, how are you?
Yeah, good mate. You? How's work? How's the family? How's your grandkids? How many have you got?
Yeah, work's good, family's good, grandkids 7 now, eldest 17, youngest 5 months. All fantastic, thank you.
Good. So then tell us what's been going on, what went on last year, what the current climate.
Yeah, 2021 had a great year. We'd structured a lot of property finance for property investors, developers with a full range of really bespoke funding requirements, what they want. Really happy what we did last year. Great facilities and obviously quick turnaround for people that want bridging development. So good solutions and delighted the way the year went in general. We had a great year and it finished well in 2021.
Good. So what's the current climate of the mortgage market? Last year, very busy. Rate hikes have happened. What's going on now?
Okay, very similar. Apart from at the moment, everything's flying off the shelves. Every time an estate agent gets the house, everything's fetching top money and over asking prices. So it's going big all the time. There's not a lot of properties coming onto the market, but we still get a lot of investors through our doors, developers, people that want bridging to refinance, all that kind of stuff. So it will calm down eventually. I don't know when, but as we are today, February the 23rd, doing this video, it's extremely good out there, and we're doing about 10 mortgages a week. That could be bridging finance to the first time buyer, everything.
Right, okay. Perfect. Do you want to talk us through your notes then? What you've got going on?
Yeah, well, basically, at the minute, we've got, our team and our proposition going forward this year is to meet our clients' needs, all their changing circumstances during 2022 and beyond. At the minute, we've found a big demand from many investors for longer term facilities in both residential and commercial. So people are looking longer term for resi and commercial.
Right, okay. And what sort of mortgages are you seeing people coming through with now? Is it a lot of first time buyers? Is it a lot of...
Good question. First time buyers, we're doing home movers, people raising money in the houses because obviously there's no great interest in having the money in the bank anymore. It doesn't give you any money, it's dead. So there's loads and loads of people sat there with mortgages for £20,000-30,000. They're now waking up, smelling the coffee, let's get the money out and get it to work.
And with inflation, how do you think that's going to affect the property market going forward?
Yeah.
Because this is like a generational thing, isn't it? With me being 23, I haven't seen inflation this high. How do you think it's going to affect people in general, but then first time buyers as well?
Yeah, at the moment, great question. With regards to first time buyers, there are still 95% mortgages about. How long they're going to be, I don't know. But inflation is going up, and so it's going to be extremely expensive to live in the UK in general. You're going to see more banks disappearing off the high street. Because why? The demand going through the door isn't there anymore. Everyone goes online or uses a broker. So inflation is going high. Bank of England are concerned about it. What can we do? We've got these situations of COVID, that's not gone away. On top of that, inflation.
Yeah, because we have the so-called cost of living squeeze, where you've got food prices rising, energy bills, as you've heard, mainstream media, then you've got petrol prices rising, everything just going through the roof. So how going forward then do you see the market going in terms of first-time buyers buying, rates going up? How do you see that panning out?
First time buyers at the moment are in a good position because rates are still extremely cheap. However, the cheap days are over. They're going to be expensive. We can still use mum and dad's deposits, helping them out. Loads and loads of mums and dads putting 10, 15, 20,000 pounds in for the children. Lots of that going on. Great rates. You're talking 5-year fix, 1.29, phenomenal great rates, but they are going to get more expensive. So a good time for first time buyers to get out there and bag a good 5-year fix for the cheap.
Right, perfect. Okay then, I've seen you've got a new member of the team.
2 new members of the team, yeah. We've got Amar, who's with us, and I'll let Amar tell you what his role is. So over to you, Amar, and tell everyone watching what you're up to.
Right, so my main role at JP Mortgages is to just help and support you through your property journey. Previous to this job, I was in an accounting background, so that helps me with a better understanding of people that are self-employed and that have got complex accounts. I also deal with first-time buyers, and my main role is to sort of help take the stress of them and comfort them through the process. And as you know, it is a very stressful time buying your first property. I also help with your first buy to let property to your portfolio landlords, When you've got multiple properties and you want to add to your portfolio. I also deal with the remortgages. That can be for any reason, maybe because the existing lenders increase their rates and you want to get a better rate and save more money, or maybe you want to take someone off the mortgage deed, maybe because of a divorce or whatever. But the main thing is we've got all the UK banks and building societies on one system. It's updated daily, so me and John will source and filter through the products and get you a free legal fee and free valuation product, saving you money where we can. I also deal with the home movers. That's if you want to move into a larger house or change your property you're currently living in. And I also deal with the adverse credit. So when you've got CCJs, defaults, or a bad credit file and you worry that you can't get a mortgage, I'll know where to place it and what lenders to go to. We also sell property at JP Mortgages, and it's an excellent thing because we undercut all local estate agents' fees and the properties advertised everywhere online. If any of these things I've discussed appeal to yourselves, give me a call on 07 535 140 968. That's 07 535 140 968. Thank you.
Thanks for that, Amar.
No problem.
Perfect. So Amar deals with quite a lot of the business then.
He does, yes.
Yeah. So then, do you want to talk me through Martin's
I
role?
also would now like to introduce you to Martin O. So Martin, if you'll explain to everybody watching, Martin's got his exams passed quite recently and also an equity release exam as well. So over to you, Martin. For those watching, explain what you do.
Thank you, JP. My name is Martin Omotojo. My role here at JP is to help you in the following areas: renewable employment contractors, if you've got fixed-term contract or your zero-hour contract, self-employment and limited company directors, 1 year's accounts, later life lending, also known as equity release. If you've got money tied up in your home and you want access to this money and you're 55 years old or older, we can help you with that. Council house right to buy. If you've been living in your council house for more than 3 years, we can also help you with that. Shared ownership. Existing lender wouldn't borrow you more money. Selling your property and not having to go through the estate agent stress. These are the following areas that I help with at JP Mortgages. You can reach me on 07404 961 311, or you can go to www.jp-mortgages.co.uk. Thank you, JP.
Perfect. So they both deal with different aspects of the market then?
Yeah, they both do. They're both under my supervision as well, and going forward, they're doing a great job. I kind of specialise in portfolio landlords, HMO, limited company. We do a lot of bridging finance, development finance, serviced accommodation, all this kind of niche stuff I've been doing for many, many years. And I turn it around quickly. It's so important that if you deal with a broker, deal with someone that's been around a while, not someone that's been doing it 5 minutes.
Yeah, because you know everybody, all the underwriters, don't you? You speak to them on a regular.
Absolutely.
So you have that good rapport, that relationship with them to get the quick lead time.
That's what it's all about. And when people call in our offices, if I'm not there, Martin or I will have a chat with you, and we say, red light, sorry we can't help you, amber, 50-50, or green. So we only take work on knowing that we can do it.
So you pre-qualify people.
Absolutely, Dan, yeah. That's what it's all about, making sure that they tell us their story, they tell us their plan, and we help sort the journey out. And the main thing is, I always say to people, go to the website, look at our testimonials that clients spoke about how we've helped them out, and that kind of tells a story. But I always say to people, if I can't get the money, then no one can. But if something does, for all sorts of reasons, not go through and it blobs, guess what? We'll keep the file open for the next 18 months until we can help them. So we're here to help. On top of that, we have great brokers that sort all the buildings insurance out, all the contents, all the life insurance. We pass it all on, but I've sourced good organisations to sort this out for you.
And you've got quick solicitors as well, no?
Absolutely, we've got good solicitors that do a good job. And guess what as well? When you're buying all these properties, you need a will. You need a power of attorney. We set the whole up. So I'd like to think that we're a one-stop job. I've been doing this since 1985. That's when I started out, in 1985, working for a couple of insurance companies. I cut my teeth with them, and then I went to Bradford and Bingley Billing Society and qualified as a senior independent financial advisor. So I've done all there is to do. And my main role is to raise the bar with these two lads and sign them in. They're doing a great job, and we don't intend to go any bigger. There's just the three of us, and we intend to crack on and deliver a first-class service for you people watching.
So you then offer like the A to Z. You're like the one-stop shop.
We are.
For everything that
Yeah.
anybody would need, mortgage-wise, house-wise, equity release, everything.
Yeah. Over the last couple of years, I've been doing a lot of speaking for the Property Investors Network and also the National Landlords Association. I've been speaking for them. These days, I'm a diamond speaker for the Leeds PPN, Progressive Property Network. You'll see me there. Come and talk to us. We're always there. And we like to think that we do a good job. My mobile number is 077 900 27038. Call me anytime. We're here to help. Thanks for listening and watching this video today. And if in doubt, give me, JP, a shout.
Thank you, JP. Thank you, Amar. And thank you, Martin.
Thank you.
Thank you.